Hit the subscribe button to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my fresh video.
So greetings friend, welcome back again in my new fresh video. In this video I'm going to explain you that how you can make a logo and a 5 best free logo maker Android apps where you can build a logo for your online business, for your website, and for if you have any YouTube channel, then you can make a logo from there. And the one mentioned thing is that this site or this app is absolutely free, and whatever the logo you make from it is also a free, so you don't have to pay anything for that. So the site number one is Canva. So here is the site name Canva. Canva is not only support to make or to build a logo in PNG or JPG format, it also provides you to build a thumbnail for your YouTube videos, or if you want to create a banner for your website, then it also helps you to make banner also. The second one is the name as suggest logo maker. So logo maker is one of the greatest app. It provides 2000 plus logo templates, 5000 plus logo icon, and 500 plus font style. So it's a great app to make a logo. And the third one is Design Evo. Design Evo is one of the greatest app where you can make a logo in PNG format, in JPG format, in icon format. So this is also a great choice to make a logo for your website, for online business, or if you have any YouTube channel, then this is the perfect choice. And the fourth one is Swift Logo Maker Designer. So this will provide you a custom logo design where you can change it according to your demand, and you can make it logo free there. And the fifth one, and my favorite, is 3D Logo Maker, where you can build a logo in 3D format. It also provides various save extensions such as in PNG, JPG, in icon format. So that's a great one. Thank you for this video. I hope you really like it. If you like, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.